So today I'll be making a very simple basic recipe. This is so great for beginners. It's going to be full of fiber, it's going to have a really good amount of protein in it, it's going to be very well balanced, and it is so simple, anyone can do it. So if you're just starting out, this is a great recipe to start with. It takes no time at all to put it together. So stick around for the recipe. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chu on Vegan. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow a whole food plant-based way of eating. On this channel, you're going to find quick and easy whole food plant-based recipes that are full of flavor and easy to make. So if that is something you are interested in, then please consider subscribing. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And be sure to follow me on Instagram for more plant-based content. The full recipe will be in the description box below, along with all the links to my favorite products, to the resources I offer. I have an online course, I have a Facebook group, I have an e-guide, and I have a newsletter. So be sure to check those out. So today I'm going to be making something really easy. I'm going to be making a vegetable saute or a vegetable stir fry, whatever you want to call it. It's going to be just a lot of veggies. There are going to be some chickpeas in there, lots of good seasonings, and it's all going to go over a Yukon baked potato. So let's get started. So I've got a hodgepodge of veggies here, and I just want you to use veggies that you have. I mean, you don't need to go out and buy anything specific, but for this particular recipe, you know, I've got some couple of carrot pieces here, some zucchini, red pepper, and onion. That's what I'm using today. And then we're just going to want to chop everything up. And you're going to want like bite-sized pieces. You're going to want to cut everything about the same size so they cook about the same time. I'll have the full recipe below, the amounts. I'm probably going to use about 2 cups of zucchini here. So I'm just going to finish chopping up these vegetables and then I will meet you over at the stove. So I've got about 4 tablespoons of water in this pan and it's on medium heat, and I'm just going to put all the veggies in, and I'm feeling like I should have put a bigger pan, but you know what, we're going to just deal with it. Get everybody in. I just love all the different colors. Okay, so we're just going to let these saute for about 6 minutes. We want these to get softened, and then we're going to throw in the rest of the ingredients. All right, now I'm going to add a little bit of tomato paste, just about a tablespoon. You don't have to do this part. I just feel like it gives it a nice flavor, another layer of flavors. And then I'm going to add in a teaspoon of minced garlic, and then just get it all mixed together. I just think that tomato flavor with the zucchini is really good. All right, now let's add our seasoning. I've got salt, paprika, not smoked, it's regular paprika, oregano, I said that, salt, and nutritional yeast. So sprinkle that all in. And if you're one of these people that do not like nutritional yeast, then you can leave it out, but I love it, and you get a good amount of protein from it too. Then I'm going to add in about a cup of chopped kale. If you would prefer spinach, you can use that as well. And then a couple tablespoons of lemon juice. And then a couple shakes of crushed red pepper, optional. and then I just let it cook another few minutes. So after the spices, we're going to add in a can of chickpeas, rinsed and drained. And then we're just going to let all these flavors sit in here for a little bit on a low medium heat. Here we go, finished product. Came together super easy. I've got my Yukon Gold potato under there. So let's give it a taste, get a little bit of everything. Mmm. So good. This is absolutely bursting with flavor. I love all the colors. It's really good. And how easy is it? You chop a few vegetables, add some chickpeas and spices, put it over a potato, you are good to go. And this makes 2 really healthy servings, and this comes in about 365 calories and 12 grams of protein. So all in all, a pretty solid dish. I hope you're enjoying these recipes where I am adding a bit more protein. I'm doing this solely for myself. I just need to add more protein to my meals, or make sure I have protein at each meal, a good amount of protein. Not just a potato and a veggie. I need to have like a bean, legume, a tofu, something like that in each meal. And it's really been a game changer for me. I feel a lot better, and that's the bottom line, right? So if these kind of recipes appeal to you, just let me know down in the comments. And if you learned something, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I hope you consider subscribing, and make sure you check all the links below. The full recipe will be there. And all my recipes are good for you. They're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you.